I used to be scared to be seen, not just online, but in my truth, in my power, in my past. I worried what people would say. Would they think I was too much, too broken, too late? So I stayed quiet, I shrank, I over-edited, I waited for confidence to arrive before I showed up. But here's what I've learned. Confidence doesn't come before visibility. It comes through it. When I started using ChatGPT, not just as a tool, but as a space to tell my story, a mirror for my mind, something changed. I didn't just get answers, I got clarity, I got courage. I remembered who I was before the world told me to dim it down. I'm not scared to be seen anymore, not because the fear's gone, but because I'm here anyway. If you've been hiding behind tech fears or doubting your worth in this next chapter, you're not alone. But you don't have to stay small. Come, learn how to use AI in a way that makes you braver, that builds belief, that gives you your voice back.